Have you ever brushed off a cough and said, "It's nothing, it will go away"? Most people do. Because coughing is common. It happens with a cold, allergy, dust, weather change, or throat irritation. So naturally, many people think a cough is harmless. But what if that cough is hiding something dangerous? What if your body is giving you an early signal, long before the real symptoms begin? That is where today's topic becomes very important. A cough is not always just a cough. Sometimes it can be an early sign of asthma, sometimes it may point to a lung infection, sometimes it could be related to acid reflux. In some cases, it may be connected to chronic lung disease, heart failure, or even something much more serious. The danger is this: because coughing is so common, people often delay paying attention. Now imagine this. What if artificial intelligence could listen to the pattern of your cough, compare it with thousands or even millions of other cough samples, and help identify whether it may be linked to a hidden health problem? That is exactly why AI in healthcare is creating so much excitement. AI systems can be trained to study cough sounds, breathing rhythm, voice changes, chest patterns, patient history, and other symptoms. These tools may help doctors notice warning signs earlier than traditional methods alone. For example, a cough has qualities that humans may miss. Is it dry, wet, deep, frequent at night, triggered by movement, followed by shortness of breath, accompanied by wheezing? To the human ear, these may sound similar, but to AI, these patterns may carry valuable clues. A smart system can detect tiny differences in sound frequency, duration, repetition, and associated breathing irregularities. This can help flag whether the cough may be linked to asthma, bronchitis, pneumonia, COPD, reflux, or other underlying issues. In the future, this may become even more powerful. A person may simply cough into a phone or wearable device, and AI may help identify whether a medical checkup is urgently needed. Think about how valuable that could be. Many diseases become dangerous, not because treatment is impossible, but because detection comes too late. If early warning improves, outcomes may improve too. That is the real power of AI. Not magic, not replacement of doctors, but earlier attention. Still, we must be careful and honest. AI is not a final diagnosis. It is not a substitute for a doctor, lab test, scan, or clinical judgment. It is an early assistant, a warning tool, a support system. And that matters, because if your cough lasts for weeks, keeps returning, worsens at night, includes blood, comes with chest pain, breathing difficulty, weight loss, or unusual tiredness, that is not something to keep ignoring. Your body may already be speaking. The real question is, are we listening early enough? This is why AI may change the future of healthcare, not by replacing medical professionals, but by helping catch silent danger earlier, when action can make the biggest difference. So the next time you hear a persistent cough, do not think only of the throat. Think deeper. Your cough may be hiding something dangerous, and AI may help detect it early. If you believe people should know how AI may transform early disease detection, please like, share, and subscribe to this AI Health channel. Let us explore together how the future of health may begin with the smallest warning signs.